Hey guys, welcome back to Sai's Way. Guys, thank you so much for liking my first video and subscribing to my channel. We are going to be solving this 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Do you want to solve it with me? So let's get started. This is a scrambled cube. Just have a look. And now I'm going to try to solve it. Let's start. So guys, I solved the Rubik's Cube. Just have a look. That's the end of the video. I will try to upload a video on the algorithms I used to solve the Rubik's Cube. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.